Hi everyone, for this lesson I'll show you how alternate interior angles are formed. Let's say we have two coplanar lines, line L and line M, and we have a transversal T cutting through those two lines. And a transversal is just another line that cuts through two or more coplanar lines. So if you look at the diagram, we have angles 3, 4, 5, and 6, and they are known as the interior angles because they're in between lines L and M. And angles 3 and 5 are alternate interior angles. So we have angle 3 and angle 5 being alternate interior angles. And angles 4 and angle 6 are also alternate interior angles. Alright? So when you're thinking of the word alternate, you want to look at the transversal, and you can see that angles 3 and 5, they lie on the opposite side of the transversal. And same thing with angles 4 and 6. They're on opposite sides of the transversal. Okay, so now let's take a look at same side interior angles. And if you look at the diagram again, we have angles 4 and 5 being on the same side of the transversal. So angles 4 and 5 are known as the same side interior angles. So the other same side interior angles are angles 3 and 6. So we can write angle 3 and angle 6 as the other pair of same side interior angles. And again, that's because angles 3 and 6 are on the same side of the transversal. Alright, so if you have angles that lie on the same side of the transversal and they match up or align with each other, then those are called corresponding angles. So the first pair we have angle 1 matches up with angle 5. So angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. Then we have angles 2 and 6 to be corresponding angles as well. So angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. We also have angle 4 matches up with angle 8. So those two, 4 and 8, are corresponding angles. And last but not least, we have angles 3 and 7 to be corresponding angles. So we can write down angle 3 and angle 7, and they are also known as corresponding angles. Alright, so now we're ready to take a look at alternate exterior angles. And similar to alternate interior angles, they have to be non-adjacent, meaning they can't be next to each other, and they have to be opposite sides of the transversal. And the other thing we have to keep in mind is that they are on the exterior space. So we're looking at angles 1, 2, 7, and 8. Alright, so the first two alternate exterior angles are angles 1 and 7. Okay? So that makes angles 2 and 8 the other two alternate exterior angles. Notice that they are non-adjacent and they are on the opposite sides of the transversals for both 2 and 8 and 1 and 7. Okay, so we reached the end. We are done, and we're happy.